Unlocking English Idioms. Understanding, weigh in. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore. Weigh in. Have you ever come across this expression and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and dissect this phrase to understand its meanings and uses in different contexts. Weigh in originally comes from the world of sports, specifically boxing and wrestling. In these sports, before a match, athletes must weigh themselves to ensure they are in the correct weight category. So, in its most literal sense, weigh in means to measure someone's weight. Example: the boxer had to weigh in before the fight to ensure he was not over the weight limit. 2.1. Expressing an opinion. In a more figurative sense, weigh in is commonly used to refer to giving an opinion or taking a side in a discussion or debate. Example: after the presentation, everyone was invited to weigh in with their thoughts and feedback. 2.2. Making a contribution. It can also mean to contribute to a discussion, project, or situation. Example: the team worked tirelessly on the project, and even the manager weighed in to help meet the deadline. Use weigh in when you want to talk about participating in a discussion or contributing to something with your opinion. It's a versatile phrase and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Be mindful of the context, as the meaning can change slightly based on the situation. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, weigh in. We've covered its literal origins, its figurative meanings, and some tips on how to use it. We hope this video clarifies this expression for you and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.